Welcome everybody to my channel. My name is Kimberly and thank you for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when I have new videos come out, like, share the content, and in the comment section below, let me know your scent of the day. Like, what are you rocking right now? Let me know your favorite fragrance. And if you have a perfume or cologne you would like for me to review, put it in the comment section below. I totally appreciate it. Now, last week I rocked My Way by Giorgio Armani, and I was blown away by it. When you first spray it, you get fresh, you get clean, you get light, musk, a little spicy, and the spicy comes from the bergamot. You also have orange blossom, which brings out the sweetness, and those are the top notes. When you go into the heart notes, you have jasmine that makes it a little creamy and rich, and then you have tuberose, which makes it sweet, which complements the orange blossom. Then for the base notes, you get earthy, you get woody, you get musk, and that all comes from the vanilla, the white musk, and the cedar. And these all come together to form this amazing scent. Now, we all know that it smells good. Let's talk about the performance. The longevity, 8 hours. Unbelievable. When I woke up the next morning, I still smelled it around my neck. So for the longevity, definitely thumbs up for that. As far as the projection goes, when I sprayed it on for the first half an hour, 45 minutes, you can smell it about 5 feet away. Going into the third, fourth hour, you had 2 to 3 feet, and then after that it went into the base notes and it died down a little bit more, but you could still smell it. I mean, it wasn't faint, you could still smell it. And then as far as the sillage goes, it did leave a trail. And you want compliments, this is the compliment magnet. You will definitely get them. Now, how I paired this, I paired this with these ensembles. I would do this during the day. You can do this for a date in the evening, but I would rock this during the day and during spring and summer. I wouldn't do the winter months because this is light and fresh, but it's up to you how you want to rock it. I can't tell you, but it's up to you, but it is light and it is fresh. Now, as far as the actual scent goes, it is sexy, it's elegant, it's romantic, and it's seductive. So you get all this in this little baby right here. Now, this is a 2020 release. When I got it, it was around $130. So now that it's older, you can get this cheaper from Perfume.com, from FragranceNet.com. You can even get this from Macy's, which is cheaper now. You can go to Saks and get it. So just shop around to see who has the best price. But if you blind buy this and you like the notes, you will not be disappointed. It smells delicious. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you today. So until next time, stay cool, stay classy, and keep on killing it. Cheers.